Hello everybody, and hope everyone's doing okay. This is just a quick update. What Triyit have sent me. Triyit is basically a sample company that basically sends you samples for free when you sign up. And basically, you snap, share, and win. You can also win different prizes as well. And this is what they sent me. They sent me some of these. It's like sparkling water with alcohol in it. This is lemon and lime. They sent me a cherry one as well. This is 4.7% vol. Yeah, just thought I'd show you that. If you want to sign up to Triyit, basically just Google Triyit, and basically come to the website, just basically sign up, and basically you have to wait, and they basically send you, say you've been accepted for a free sample, and send it in the post. Basically like that. It's quite good because I've had quite a few things from the Triyit. So yeah, just thought to update that. And also they've also sent me a Tesco with £1.20 off this as well, which is quite cool if you like it. Yeah, so go ahead now and Google Triyit and get some free samples. Thanks for watching anyway. Bye.